Hello, boys and girls. 1. My school. This week we are going to talk about school supplies. Let's start. Crayon. Crayon. Desk. Desk. Board. Board. Let's practice. Listen and point to the correct picture. Crayon. Crayon. This is my crayon. Very good. This is my crayon. Desk. Desk. This is my desk. Excellent. This is my desk. Board. Board. This is my board. Good. This is my board. Great job. Bye-bye.